The internal rate of return interactive calculator helps engineers evaluate project profitability by calculating multiple financial metrics from cash flow data. Let's explore the inputs. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate IRR from cash flows, calculate NPV at given rate, calculate payback period, calculate profitability index, calculate break-even rate, and calculate modified IRR. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate IRR from cash flows. Next, enter your initial investment in dollars. I'm using 100,000. The discount rate percentage field is where you input your required rate of return. I'll use 10%. Finance rate percentage represents your borrowing cost, 8% for this example. Finally, reinvestment rate percentage is for reinvested cash flows, 12% here. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. The internal rate of return shows 19.71%, meaning this project's expected return exceeds our 10% discount rate. Net present value displays $0, which is expected since we're calculating at the IRR. Payback period indicates 3.25 years to recover the initial investment. The investment decision shows Accept with a green checkmark, confirming the project meets investment criteria. Find the link in the description below